Well, it's the afternoon of the last day for Linda and I to be renovating Luann and Ken's house. So we've done quite a bit, but there's a lot left to do that other people are going to have to take care of. This is their back garden space. You can hear the lawnmower running. That's because a week ago this guy was here and the grass is growing like crazy. We're hoping it's green back home. Anyhow, they're going to paint doors. This door is going to be just fixed up for now. Maybe change someday. This is the kitchen. Remember from the last video with the wallpaper? So it's ready for cabinets. There's a light has to go up there. There's going to be 4 new lights in the ceiling. This wall is ready for paint. That's primer. And the floor guys have been in. So the linoleum is down, covered in plastic. They delivered the carpet this morning, which we hoped was not coming for a week or two, but it's here anyhow. The dining room has just got final touch-ups to do. Got a, can't really see, it looks a bit brown. It's quite a dark green color and then a lighter green. I don't know if you can tell by, nah, doesn't look very good for color in the camera. We'll see how it turns out. Anyhow, windows are still to be painted. We have first coat on all the baseboards. 2 cutting in to do on the ceiling. Front hall closet has been primered. So there's 2 coats of paint to go on the walls. And here we're getting into the living room where the carpet will be. We sprayed all the doors in the previous video. They're looking pretty good actually. So Linda has 2 coats on most of these walls. There's stuff to cut in the ceiling, paint the baseboards because tomorrow the carpet goes in. Thankfully we have air conditioning. And the floor is looking really nice. I like the way the floors go together. From the linoleum to the laminate to the carpet. It's almost all the same color. So transitions are nice. Took out lots of shelving in this laundry room and took out and replaced the water heater. See, but this was a disaster. Floor's covered in plastic. This is the bathroom. Still needs 2 coats of paint. The mud's done and it's ready to paint. Fixed the walls in here, but have not even primered the bathroom yet. They're probably going to take the tile out and spray the tub. Turning you around. This will be Ken's office. So Devin, the painter, is going to be doing a lot of stuff after we leave because we've only got a few hours left. He can help. The master bedroom's getting really close and looking good. And speaking of looking good, this closet was a complete wreck with way too many homemade shelves. It's much better now. And finally the last bathroom, no medicine cabinet yet, no vanities yet. They were supposed to be delivered on Monday. They have not come. Now this room, she's got 1 coat of paint on. We did a bunch of repairs, got the floors leveled up. So, going home. See you soon.